I would say one key lesson that I've learned that would definitely help me throughout my career is definitely reaching out to people, and going to events is the best way to meet new people and make new connections. Sadly, you can't make new connections just watching Netflix in your room, even as comfortable as it is. Going to society events, going to club events, and really interacting with the people, even if they're in your dormitory, or getting to know the people in your classes is a really important aspect of your college life. And UCD has thousands, 30,000 plus people, so I'm sure you'll make plenty of friends. And I think that is one of the most important lessons and values to use going forward, because you'll always have to work with people in workplaces. So knowing how to be friends with different types of people, introducing yourself to new different cultures and experiences so that you can relate to others is a very important skill to have.